guys, as you can see, we got all this amazing automatic fish auto equip road auto cast. Your people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you the newest trick how you can get fish macro auto farms, auto AFK and scripts, guys, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. Just follow my steps. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC, guys. It's working perfectly for all devices. So go to Google or any browser you got, navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com. You'll find it easily. Click on menu, click on other, and then click on KRNL executor. Click there, guys, and then we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know, guys, how to find your Roblox user ID, go to roblox.com, log in there, and copy your profile URL link. So let me show you guys better. So go to your profile. As you can see, this is my profile. Click up there, copy it, get back to the tool, and click on this button. It will paste URL and automatically extract your user ID. So when you paste this, guys, click continue. So it should find our account. As you can see, user found. So nice, it's my account, guys, it's connected. So click on it, guys, import newest updated KRNL executor to our account. Just click here, and guys, a really important step is to select Forge Hub script there. So click on Forge Hub and click continue. As you can see, guys, we are band protected, so you don't have to worry. My friends already playing with this for almost 3 weeks and nobody gets banned, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. It's totally undetected. So yeah, okay, nice. API is connected, guys, user account is connected, and our activation key is generated. So guys, we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and it should redirect us to the last step, and it's this manual verification. And guys, we should get our newest updated KRNL executor with our key, and then we will also receive our Forge Hub, and then we will use it for our fish. So just follow my steps, guys. We will have a list of 6 free tasks, and guys, we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So by your choice. So guys, the best thing you can do is to download games or apps. This is app, this is app, this is app, this is game, this is questionnaire, this 2 is questionnaires. So guys, just make sure to complete 2 tasks by your choice from this list. For my opinion, I said the best is game and app, so I will do it now. I will download Domino Dreams and TikTok. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publishers, guys. If you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading from the App Store, so you don't have to worry about this. So guys, it's really important to follow their instructions. So for Domino Dreams, I will install, open and complete chapter 5, and for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. If you already have TikTok, uninstall this, then install from there, and that's pretty much it. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks, guys. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task, and I got this message. So this and this task, guys, I completed this as I said, and I got this. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So guys, let's see together, will we actually get redirected? Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. KRNL executor along activated key is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID and our key is activated, so I cannot wait to open my Roblox and to play fish to see, guys, will we actually get our fish macro and our fish script. So let's open fish and let's see, will we actually receive this. We rotate it. So guys, let's see. Okay, so guys, let's check. Are we actually receiving our Fisch script? So let's search for Forge Hub, click here, run script. Let's close this. Guys, script is loading and now we will see, is it actually working? Let me stay closer. Guys, as you can see, we got all this amazing automatic Fisch auto equip road, autocast. Guys, I will enable all of it so you can see it's actually working. Auto catch, auto sell. Guys, nice, it's actually working amazing. So as you can see, we got it absolutely free and safe. So that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So if you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.